Welcome to the eBakery YouTube channel, the agency for online merchants. Since our last video was about the functionality of the Oukassi search engine, we will focus on another point that was shown in our patent video but wasn't discussed. It's about the median selling price you have to strive for. Why that's the case can be answered quickly. Every seller would love to see his listing ranking high on the first page of the search results and will optimize it in the best way to achieve this. The calculation of median prices would be a step in the right direction. But what is it exactly? Let's have a look at the definition on Wikipedia. It's a value that separates the higher half from the lower half. It can be thought of as a middle value. Of course, we don't consider Wikipedia as a scientific source. We merely want to have a first rough look. We have to point out that average and median aren't one and the same thing. An average value derives from the number of all values collectively. The median observes the values to figure out what's the middle value. It's a significant difference. In plain language, that means there is a median price that is composed by the middle value of a specific product sold by different merchants. What's crucial here is the value of the price itself, and not whether price X is offered by 100 or 1000 merchants. Out of all the prices offered for one specific product, we get a middle value that is considered to be ideal. It means that in some cases you might rank higher if you raise the price in your listing closer to the median value. Practically speaking, it means that you have to test it out and analyze. If your listing doesn't sell, change the price and observe the change in ranks. If it gets better, raise it again. If it gets worse, try to lower it. Be careful with that though. Oukassi doesn't like extreme changes in prices. Giving it a 5 to 10% should keep you on the safe side. Hopefully we could give you a theoretical and practical input to help you understand how to set your prices the right way. With that said, have fun optimizing your listings. Your eBakery team.